In a small town, the rain once fell like a loyal friend, arriving every season without fail. But people grew careless, cutting trees and wasting water as if nature would never change. Slowly, the clouds stopped visiting and the river shrank into a silent strip of dust. Frightened, the town gathered together, planting trees and cleaning the land they had ignored. Weeks later, the first raindrop returned soft, forgiving, like a smile from the sky. Nature wasn't addicted to giving. It simply waited for humans to remember how to care. If we neglect nature, it withdraws its gifts. But when we care for it, life returns with kindness.